Hey, good day, everybody. Hey, I'm Stacy Gaston. I'm the owner of Smackdown Catfishing. I know you probably heard about our rod holders. I'm going to show you today something a little bit about the MulTbars that are on the market. We have these on our website. They're, I think, one of the most versatile bars out there to hold rod holders. I'm just going to show you a little bit of detail about them and the variety of positions that you can get from this one product. First and foremost, I think one of the most important thing is we have our plate here. You can get them in many different sizes to be able to fit the needs that you have. I have selected a 6x6 plate mount here on my Target 20. This is one of the things, this is 24 inches, this one is, from this base plate to the top. So you do have the option to stand this MulTbar straight up in this position. It has 1/2-inch stainless steel bolts in it, and it has some stainless steel set screws in here that's able to lock everything in. This is one of the functions of this. If you wanted something stood straight up, here it is like this. It's also built in, one side of this will not let this MulTbar go no further backwards than that. So you have this, and it is able to rotate at the base 360 degrees, ever how you want it to do. So if you want this rod holder mounted there, if you want it turned up and mounted like this, you can see that this goes in 360 degrees. This operates from all the way down to 0 to 90 degrees. This top plate will spin 360 degrees, and it also is able to maneuver. So on my boat, once you get it in position, you can bring it over, you can bring it out, bring it down. It has 5 1/2-inch tapped holes already in it. You can already see them. So if you want to get set up to run 3 rod holders or 4, if you want to run 4 rod holders, you can put one there, 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 and there. This bar right here is 24 inches wide. From corner to corner, it's 24 inches wide. 24 inches tall from the base to the top of the plate. I've got 3 rod holders on mine, so it also has, with the 5 holes, you're able to put one on each side and one in the center. So once you get this MulTbar set in position at the angle you want it, you can lock these bolts down here on the side. So once you get at the angle, you got these 2 1/2-inch bolts on each side you can lock down. I'm gonna snug them down. It has a set screw located right here that you're able to tighten it down to keep it from also moving up and down. Now we're going to get how we want the top of it to look. So I like mine around this position. Also have the same thing on each side of this, and we're gonna tighten them down. We're gonna lock them down and try to keep this top nice and square. There's 2 bolts on each side. So once we have that locked in, bump it back just a little bit. And it also has a set screw over here that you can lock it down. We're gonna lock that down to keep this top plate from rotating over any further. Now, the top is spinning, so you wanna be able to put this top bar in the position that you want it to go in. And once you do that, it has a nut up on the bottom of it. We're going to lock it down. And it also has a set screw on the top that you're able to lock it. I will say the key to one of these right here is making sure you have a good solid foundation to mount your base plate. Once everything is where you want it, make sure you lock all your bolts down tight as you can, set the set screws, and it's not moving. I've had this on my boat now for probably a month or so. We have landed some monster catfish on these with our rod holders in it, doubled over. This is going to be a product that you can put your confidence in, and it should last you a lifetime. Whether it be rod holders, whether it be the MulTbars, or our RS nets, all made right here in the great USA. We thank you for y'all support.